Hello superstars, once again you're welcome to La Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe, and in this short video I'm going to analyze V751S, and this is about price action trading without indicators. So let's trade without indicators and let's get started. So now the market is on the daily time frame, and according to the daily time frame, the market is giving us higher high and higher lows. What do I mean by that? If you look at this market, it started from here. It was on the downtrend, but when it got to this level, it gave us a double bottom, and then it took this high, this particular high here. It gave us another higher high here. It cleared this high high. It gave us another one here. Now it has cleared. This has been a strong zone here. Now the market has cleared this particular zone, so we'll agree that this market is on an uptrend. So what do we do on an uptrend? What do we do in an uptrend market? We look for buy opportunities only for this market. All right, so I'm going to draw my trend line right away. All right, now this is the trend line. It's not going to be a perfect straight line, right? But this is the trend line. So we're expecting this market to come back to this trend line. Expect to get here, and we expect to even break it out to give us some kind of, to clear some liquidity before we think about buying. For now, it's still doing what is called pullback. So the market is temporarily on a downtrend, but overall it's not downtrend, it's up. So let me of course accommodate that. Okay, now I've accommodated that particular structure. So we expected that this market will give us, it will get to this place, maybe, or what we'll be expecting to buy this, when we'll be expecting to buy this market is when this market gets to this particular order block. All right, so you may be waiting for this market to get to this level. It may break through this particular trend line. But remember that when you get to this trend line, you don't just buy. You don't just buy because it has gotten to this level. You need to make buy decisions when the market, of course, break out of this trend line. But I'm seeing the market to get to up to this order block. That's when I will think about buying. Even PS, maybe perhaps give us a week, break through this order block, all right, with fake breakout, and then we'll look for buy opportunity from this low of the order block. All right, so for now, let's just be watching the market. Let's just be watching the market. No sell opportunity right now. If we are to sell, this is when we would have made some decision to sell. Like here, there was a fair value gap here. Look at price. It broke. This was a structure as well. So this, let me show you a temporary. It was a structure that was broken. So even if you are selling this market now, based on the fact that it's doing pullback, you should not sell beyond this level. Once they get to this level, it may be taking your, maybe here market may get to this level, but for people who have been selling, the market is already going to the downside, so you can be taking your profit close to this place or here, because market may likely get to this point. All right, it has given us, let me see if you give us a fair value gap on 4 hours time frame. This is the first candlestick. These are the first major movement. This is the second, and this is the third candlestick. So I didn't see any fair value gap on 4 hours time frame, so I didn't have any reason to sell this market because it was. So even the 1 hour time frame would have given us a reason to sell. 1 hour time would have given us a reason to sell this market, because when the market broke out to this structure, let me give you an example. In case you see this kind of pattern, this kind of pullback pattern, for you to have sharp fast entry for a sell or a buy, when you see an uptrend suddenly giving us a double bottom, a double top here, instead of taking this high, the market refused to take this high. What you were looking for is break of structure. So this was where the structure was broken. The structure was broken. So when the structure was got broken, the best thing to do is to look for fair value gap. Now Where is our fair value gap for us to have made sell decisions is here. You can take this candlestick, this one here. All right, this is the first candlestick. This you can use this three candles, this one, and this one, this candlestick. So what you would have done for those who would have sold this market to make some profit, this is the first candlestick, and then this is fair value gap candlestick. I'm drawing my fair value gap. This is the second one. So you put your horizontal line or your bars, start creating a bars on the low of the first candlestick, and then this long one is the second candlestick, then the third one here. Sorry. So this is the third candlestick. So what are you looking for? You are looking for number one, why you are going to be selling excuse me, why you are going to be selling this market temporarily. Number one, it has broken our structure here. It has broken our structure here. And then once that structure is broken, you draw a fair value gap. So this is the low of the first. These are our fair value gap candle. This is the first candlestick. This is our second candlestick. Then this is our third candlestick. So you draw it from the low and the high of the third candlestick. So what do you do? Well, and when will you sell actually? You sell when price actually come back to your fair value gap. So it came back to this gap. You can see it came to test our fair value gap. All right, so this is when the market tests this place. Do you just place a sell? No, that's when you look at for market structure change of character. So this is our fair value gap here. It got here. Some persons sell, but sometimes it may just go to the upside. It's good to look for change of character or market structure. Now in this scenario, market is indeed changing character. All right, it's indeed changing character. So you can see that it went up. It has cleared this particular structure. So ideal for one to sell is here, this place, because it's already showing us lower low and lower highs, meaning it's forming a sell character, sell structure. So guys, this is how you analyze the market. You look at both sides. You look at even if the market is an uptrend, look at you can trade against the trend by looking for pullbacks to buy, to sell. This market is an uptrend. Obviously on daily time frame is an uptrend, but the market is going to do pullback. So those people who are selling is correct. You can sell this market, but you have to use techniques like fair value gap, break of structure, double top or double bottom, like what I've just done here. For you to sell this pullback, you will need to wait for the market to break out of a structure, and this is the structure that it has broken. When the structure is broken, you look out for fair value gap. Either 1 hour, it's good to use 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 4 hours time frame to draw your fair value gap. So I hope this video helped. Join the Lapito World Academy. If you have not joined, join or use the link on the bio to create your Deriv account. Chat me up to get started on the academy. Don't give up on yourself. You have a lot. The key is to learn. Most people don't like learning. All right, watch these videos over and over. Get on board on the academy. Get books to read to guide you on how to become a profitable forex trader. All right guys, I wish you success. Bye for now.